Nice. Hey, Clara. Who are you looking at? Is that your brother, Michael? Is that your brother? Oh, dear. Oh, did you fall down? Did you fall down? Did you fall down? Oh, she fell down, didn't she, Michael? That's okay. That's okay, right? Whoa. How did I zoom? Mommy, zoom. There you are. There's my little girl. You gonna try again? You gonna try again? Hey, Clara. It's okay. Here she comes again. Let's see you climb. Come on, Clara. Let's see you climb up. You gonna climb up? Yeah, you gonna climb up? There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Yeah, there we are, Clara. Come on, you can do it. Where are you? There you are. Hi, Clara. Climb up. That's it, girl. That's it. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. One leg. Michael, hello. Is you telling Clara to climb? Say, climb up, Clara. Climb up, Clara. Hey, Clara. 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 There you are. There you are. Are you coming up? Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. That's it, sweetheart. Yay! You did it! Michael says yay, too. So Clara can climb up. Michael can't yet, but we can make him stand, and then he can stand all by himself. Right, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Clara. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Rachel. Hi. Hi, honeys. Yeah, you're so cute. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.